ka sorkar Jylla ha kalai phuai tarik risau kala manjur ban pynkylla yaki kendon jong ka Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rules hajar phuai khnang ban pentikna baka tanat excise kan yoklum ya ka khajna ka ban kot sha ka sanphok klur tingka ha ka shisnam ning baka kyiad. Habakran Syakilat pathai khubor Menteri Sorkar Markus en Marak Ulaong kidon shibun ba kijat beran jong ka kyiad ha ka Jylla jongi bat ngilapen benta biang yaki khnang ban yoklum ya ka khajna ka babiang menta kindan tangsan jat ha ka jaka jong kinrio jat kibran. Ulaong ba ka khajna excise duty la khami lenti bakan kyiad da khatsan persen bat ba ka Jylla kandang yo shu ya ka khajna ka ban long kumbasan phok tingka ha ka shisnam. Ya menta ka jingioh khajna na ka kyiad kalong lai spa san phok tingka shisnam. Na kalyong Commissioner and Secretary Katrat Excise Sanjay Goyal Ulaong ba ka jingioh khajna jong katanat hai kini kesan snam balalit no kalakot ya ka khat ars pa klur tingka ya kani kara la shim ha ka jingalang jong ka kenhun menteri ka bala penyai da menteri rang ba ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma.
So we have today decided for the 5 items today. The first one is with regard to reclassification of brand amendment on adbolorem amendment of rules of 376 of Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rules 2021, an amendment of MBAT on liquor, amendment of Rule 44 within bracket 10 of Meghalaya Bonded Warehouse Rules within bracket Assam Bonded Warehouse Rules 1965 as adopted and amended by Meghalaya, and insertion of Rule 44 within bracket 15 of the Meghalaya Bonded Warehouse Rules within bracket Assam Bonded Warehouse Rules 1965 as adopted and amended by Meghalaya, file number ERTS within bracket E3/2022. So this actually is there are many various brands we have been having in our state. So we have reclassified for better tax collection. So number one, now we will have 5 categories instead of 6 categories. In general, the increase in excise duty be about 15%. An additional 50 crore per year was we were getting. Now present excise collection is about 350 crore per year. So in this regard, if you need some more clarification, our Commissioner Secretary is here. He would like to give some clarification in this regard.
The revenue was hovering around 200 CR. So, and we have got a substantial increase in last 4-5 years. So if you take that into account, I think the average revenue collected from excise would be roughly around 1200 crores, but that's the figures I need to confirm. The Minister has mentioned we have rejigged the classification of the brands. We have studied the kinds of classifications that our neighboring states are having and what kind of advantage we can draw in classifying them. So basically when you classify the brands at certain price levels and then the brands of those prices, we are at imposing the excise duty. And as with this exercise, though the impact on the revenue is roughly around 15%, the impact on the MRP will not be that much. Impact on MRP is roughly around 9 to 10%. So this rejigging has helped us around 5% additional revenue to us without impacting on the MRP. I can share it with you later if the numbers are required, because this was basically the purpose was to increase the revenue. The cabinet note was on that.